Friends, today I'm going to show you how you can actually generate Bitcoin, but you can actually use your cell phone to generate some Bitcoin and get some cash in your wallet. I mean, if you think this is crazy, but it's not. There is a cool tools called Cryptotab, and it's available for cell phones, tab, and desktop. As you can see already here, I have a couple of phones. All of them are making money right now. I'm just generating some Bitcoins over here. So if you want to know the full process, just watch this video till end. So I already installed the desktop version. I will give you the step-by-step instruction. It's pretty cool. It's just pretty simple. You don't have to do any fancy installation or any configuration. It just, all you have to just install it, just like a simple software. As you can see, what are you gonna do? Basically, you go to your app stores. I'm using Apple iPhone, so you can go to your app store and go to search. Then here, simply Cryptotab. So just remember, this is the logo, the Cryptotab. So once you find your Cryptotab, then all you have to just click the download button. It's downloading right now. Then simply just open and you accept terms and conditions. Then you go here. So there is a little icon down here. Now the next thing is, probably I'm going to hide a couple of things because I don't like to share my user ID and password. So I'm going to hide my user ID and password. Going to enter my password. Once I enter my password, and I am all set. All you have to do here, as you can see here, I have already 0.000066 Bitcoin. The current Bitcoin market is pretty crazy. It's like around $40,000 one Bitcoin. So who knows, over the time you might generate a Bitcoin, but it will take a long time. I'm just kidding. But you can get some money, and that's the idea. Like in your cell phone, you don't have to keep it idle. You can use it and generate some money. So here right now, as you guys can see here, no hashes here. So all I'm gonna do, I'm going to just slide this slider, and make it like max, or you can also click the max. Then it will start generating hashes per second. This is iPhone 13 Pro Max, and so far it's generating 93 hash per second. I have a couple of other cell phone, as you guys can see here. What is this? This is maybe 7 or 8. So far I generated 21 hash per second. And the next cell phone I have, so this one. So this is iPhone XR, and here I'm generating 40 hash per second. And the next one is iPhone 8, and this one generating 23 hash per second. Now I'm going to talk about my Mac. So I just installed Cryptotab in my Mac, and it's pretty simple. The way you can install, basically, all you have to do, you have to Google Cryptotab. I'm going to add the link in the description below. So all you have to just go to cryptotab.farm. Here, as you can see, the quick overview. This is the Cryptotab, and basically you can generate Bitcoin from all your devices. Here, we're going to mine in this laptop. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to miner from here. Then here, as you can see, two versions available. One is for Mac, another is for Windows. So this is Mac. I'm going to click Mac, and it will download the installer, this DMG file automatically. So once the download is done, all you have to just go and double click to install it, and you will see the installation process step by step over here. I'm going to show you. Just double click and it should be good to go. Then follow the screen. This is my nice little Bitcoin farm that I shared. Mainly the key concept is to show you guys you can use your cell phones and generate Bitcoins. At the same time, you can, if you have an extra PC or laptop, you can also do the same thing. You can generate some Bitcoin and get some cash in your wallet. And, it's a free money. You can use your system and generate some money. I hope you liked this tutorial, and if you did, please follow us on our Instagram page, and most important thing, please subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon to stay notified about any new content in this channel. As always, I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.